To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
The Malaysian Association of Asset Managers announced the election of its new committee members and principal officers for the 2024 to 2026 term. Datuk Wira Ismit's Matthew de Alwis, CEO and Executive Director of Kenanga Investors Berhad, continues his role as the chairperson of MAAM, while its vice-chairperson is Teo Koklin, founder and chief investment officer of Singular Asset Management Sendirian Berhad. MAAM's treasurer and secretary are Noor Hanifah Hashin, CEO and head of Malaysia Fixed Income and Sukuk for Franklin Templeton Fixed Income in KL, and Munira Khairuddin, principal Malaysia country head and CEO. The announcement follows its 27th annual general meeting and the subsequent second committee meeting of the year. The Securities Commission Malaysia signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Islamic Development Bank Group, paving the way for greater cooperation in Islamic capital market and broadening the reach of Islamic fintech and social finance, particularly WOC. Under the MOU signed this morning, both the SC and ISDB will collaborate in several key areas. These include facilitating innovation in Islamic fintech, promoting development of Islamic social finance, and encouraging inflow of investments, among others. It also aims to increase capacity building, knowledge sharing, and joint technical projects in key interest areas related to ICM, which can also be capitalized by both institutions for the benefit of other ISDB member countries. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has taken a strong stance against front-running and insider trading in mutual funds. SEBI board on the 30th of April decided to amend norms governing mutual funds, whereby asset management companies need to put in place an institutional mechanism for identification and deterrence of potential market abuse, including front-running and fraudulent transactions in securities. The mechanism should consist of enhanced surveillance systems, internal control procedures, and escalation processes to identify, monitor, and address specific types of misconduct, including front-running, insider trading, and misuse of sensitive information, SEBI said in a statement issued after the conclusion of the board meeting. Since April, several mutual fund investors have had their folios frozen due to non-compliance with Know Your Customer norms. The Securities and Exchange Board of India instructed KYC registration agencies to verify mutual fund unit holders' KYC information based on PAN, name, address, mobile number, and email IDs. The goal was to match and validate investors' records with official databases such as the Income Tax Database and Aadhaar card. However, it was discovered that the records of many investors, particularly old-timers who completed KYC using documents other than PAN or Aadhaar, could not be validated. As a result, these investors have been requested to redo their KYC. Like global temperatures, the cost of waging war against climate change just keeps rising, and recent research suggests that future spending increments could be hefty, requiring increased private and public investment. The Asian Development Bank acknowledged in a recent report that trillions of dollars annually is needed between now and 2050 to achieve the goals of the Paris Agreement on climate change, compared with just $630 billion a year currently being deployed for this purpose. One key reason for the continually escalating cost is the damage that climate change threatens to do to basic infrastructure. Climate change poses threats to key facilities in energy, transportation, water and sanitation, buildings, agriculture and coastal defenses as roads, bridges, tunnels, ports and others are assailed by hurricanes, floods and the like. Yet, as is the case with transition financing or paying to convert industrial plants to lower carbon emission, upgrading infrastructure facilities is not as attractive to private investors as greenfield projects.
The latest e-Zine is now available for download at FIMM's official website. Download your copy today to keep up to date with what's going on in the industry.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.